Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Chromebook. This prevents shorts and data loss. Once done, put on an ESD strap and work on a non-conductive surface to protect circuits. Remove visible screws with a Phillips #0, keeping screws organized by location because lengths vary. Use a plastic pry tool to gently separate clips. You want controlled leverage rather than force. As you lift the back cover, observe ribbon cables and latch points so you avoid tearing or breaking fragile connectors. Now locate the battery and its connector. Identify whether it's a multi-pin plug or ribbon. You disconnect by easing the connector straight out or flipping the latch. Do not pull on wires. Once isolated electrically, remove the battery mounting screws and lift the pack straight up. Bending cells can damage them. Take a photo of the battery orientation and label so you can source an exact replacement. Keep screws and any insulating tape. You'll reuse them during reassembly to maintain grounding and fit. Install the new battery oriented exactly like the old one. Secure mounting screws snugly to avoid movement, but do not strip plastic. Reconnect the battery connector securely, ensuring pins align and latch engages. Refit the back cover and reinstall screws by location. Power on the Chromebook and verify it boots, then fully charge to 100% and discharge to about 5% to help the system learn the new pack. If it won't power or charge, reseat the connector and check for torn wires or misplaced insulating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.